came to one of the most beautiful sunsets in Cincinnati. So this is the Wow Golf Park. I guess it's an open access golf course where you could just come in this lovely walking path where you could do bicycle riding or simply just park your vehicle behind those cluster of trees. You can see there is vehicle parking. You could go to the bar and grill to eat something or simply park your car and take the path. Look at the way they've set up the golf course. Looks like a number of bird homes. So if you're wondering if these are street lights, these are bird houses that have been put together by some really kind and caring human beings. What a beautiful sunlight.